Today we will be suiting up this Bentley in full body NanoGard Ultra Plus paint protection film. One of the many features of NanoGard Ultra Plus is the incredible gloss enhancing layer. As you can see, the film really enhances the paint. It helps bring out and increase the deep brilliance of the original paintwork, giving 80% gloss to your car due to the Nano Ceramic Coating. The gloss does not fade over time thanks to the gloss retention layer. It also helps hide any imperfections like paint chips and scratches. This is just one of the many features included in the NanoGard Ultra Plus protection film. Other features include 8.5 mils thickness for maximum protection, limited lifetime warranty, water beading for better yet less frequent washing, the highest scratch resistance available, instant self-healing formula, and anti-chipping. All the materials and layers in NanoGard Ultra Plus are non-yellowing, so you don't have to worry about replacing the film.